All right, Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Holy Rebbe Levi Yitzchak ben Surasoshem Iberditchev. Zechusi Yugalanim Kol Solomon. This week's Parsha is Parshas Bo, which is my Bar Mitzvah Parsha. We read in the book of Exodus, chapter 12, V'yavoyer Kedushas Elechem Rosh Chodashim, that this month is unto thee, the head of the months. Haklal, the general rule is Ki Lefamim Nasa Melech Medinas Shaloi Mahavim Oisei V'Ovnu Oisei Be'emes. A king might test his subjects and the countries that are under his rule and the states that are under his rule, if they love him and if they're serving him in truth. And sometimes the king tests to see if the members of his subjects love his children. So similar we find in the fall time when we have the Jewish New Year, the month of Tishrei, God is judging the world to see if they love God, if they fear Him. And in Nisan, in the springtime of the Passover, God judges the world to see, do they love God's children, the children of Israel, the Jewish people. So therefore the Pharaoh who performed evil against the Israelites, God smote him in that month. That's what it means that this month is unto thee, it's unto you. Its meaning is for your sake. That it's the first month of you, the months of the year. That the energy that God sends down in the month of Nisan, Mishpat, and the judgment that He makes, it's for the sake of the Israelites. And if someone harms the Jewish people, the Israelites, God punishes him and He makes miracles for the Israelites. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.